Okay, this is our bridge destroying. I don't know if the sound started. This is our bridge destroying jig. You're supposed to keep your bridge edges inside this 25 mil. So if you're running onto this strip, naughty naughty. The width of the bridge is also indicated by the tape as well. Maximum width 140, and your span is I think it's 70 from memory. This is our these two struts here feed through your bridge structure. And just to stop it from swinging down and hitting me in the face, I have these pieces of wire here that should stop it from swinging down and also smashing the scale. I did start using a digital scale, but the digital scale was a problem because it kept going into hold mode. The moment this is loaded up to just under, just on 3 kilos. So as we crank it, I did have another go at it, but the piece of timber, I've actually, I don't know if you can see it there, but I've scored the timber here to try and weaken it, because the last test I got up to 25, 30 kilos and I didn't want to wreck the scale. But I've made it a lot weaker now and it's already about to go. And you can see here, as you go, as you crank it, it sometimes goes past and then springs back because there's a little bit of elasticity in the whole situation. So you can always just wind that back onto what it's actually on. At the moment, it's on about 7 kilos. And as we crank it, it goes. So we can look at the scale now and we can see that our final reading is about 7 kilos where the black dial is. Of course, the actual scale goes down to 0 because it no longer has any weight on it. And this assembly doesn't hit me in the face anymore, which is wonderful. And that's our piece of timber. Now, obviously, your balsa wood's going to be a lot less powerful. A lot less powerful. That's a really good engineering term. Have a lot less strength in it than this timber. But when you build it into a very effective truss structure or other type of structures for bridges, such as suspension, cable stay, etc., etc., you may find that the actual balsa wood, which is very weak on its own, becomes a really amazingly strong structure. And you can see here that this whole assembly here, I can stand on it and it doesn't fall over. And the main reason it doesn't fall over, believe it or not, is this strut here. This strut here is a type of truss, and that's what makes it strong and makes it fall over. A triangle is a very, very stable structure. Anyway, fun bridge building, and we will be testing your bridges on this marvelous device here, care of Big W, and it's a luggage scale. Anyway, have fun bridge building, and I'm looking forward to destroying them all. Bye.